Now we have to find the angle between the planes when the equations are in the Cartesian form. Now let the given equations of the planes are 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 1, equation 1, and minus x plus y is equal to 4, equation 2. Now direction ratios of normal to plane 1 are, now direction ratios are 2, minus 3 and 4. 2, minus 3 and 4. And direction ratios of normal to plane 2 are minus 1, 1 and 0. Now let theta be the angle between the planes, then cos theta is equal to 2 with minus 1 plus minus 3 with 1 plus 4 with 0 upon 2 square plus 4 square with minus 1 square plus 1 square plus 0 square. Now what we have used, cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square with a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, so now we are having, sorry, now cos theta is equal to plus 0 upon 4 plus 9 plus 16 with 1 plus 1. So we are having minus 5 upon, now 9 plus 4, that is 13 plus 16, 39, 39 with 2. So we are having square root of 39 with 2, this is equal to minus 5 upon square root of 58, or we can write it cos theta is equal to 5 upon square root of 58. This is the answer. Alternative method, we can just use it now, or if theta is the angle between the planes then cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 upon A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square with A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Okay. So what this we got it? We got it cos theta is equal to minus 5 upon square root of 58, or theta is equal to cos inverse minus 5 upon square root of 58. Okay. So now what is the difference between these two? Here we can also write it, or theta is equal to cos inverse 5 upon 58, one and the same thing. Now in this part what we have taken? We have taken modulus part for this angle. Cos theta is equal to modulus for the function. Now here cos theta is equal to this one, so we got finally, I have just not used this modulus part and I have written positive of 5 upon square root of 58. So what about this part? Now here I am not using the modulus part. Okay. So what we can write it? We can write it, the acute angle between the planes is pi minus cos inverse negative of 5 upon square root of 58, and this is equal to cos inverse 5 upon square root of 58. So this part and this part one and the same thing. Okay. So we can write it theta is equal to. So either you can go for this part or you can go for this part. If you are getting the negative of an angle, then you have to proceed like this. Acute angle means subtracting from 180. Okay.